Okay, so here we are changing the light bulb. I have removed the screws on the sides of the housing here, and I'm going to get to it here. So just lift this off of here. Just pull this plug carefully off. We have here a dust cap. Gently remove that. So it's down here. We have here a spring right here. Just carefully pull that towards you. I usually get a little bit of a something going on here. Of course, this kind of thing always somehow doesn't operate properly when I'm trying to do it on camera. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, you just gotta pull this thing out. Yeah, okay, anyway. Alright, so lift this up, flip this out, being careful not to touch the halogen bulb with your bare fingers, as always. Okay, just going to set this on the side. Now in this case, this bulb is not bad. I'm just replacing it so I have a spare. And I'm replacing it with an LED. So I'm going to stick it in this Ziploc bag so it's not going to get touched by bare hands. I have here, this is the I'm not sure what the proper pronunciation is, but that is the item in question. The H4 LED headlamp bulb. It's an interesting little device. Got a little fan there in the front. I can't tell you how this thing works, but I've read the reviews and it's supposed to be cool and effective, so let's do this. Okay, we're going to set this in here where those three fins match the cutouts. Put this thing back in here. Go. That's in good shape. It's nice and tight. Get this back here. I mean, this is not rocket science, but I do want to be careful with everything. At least I do. Oh! Dust cap. There's the marking for the top of it. You probably can't see it. Maybe you can. Top. Okay. All right. The headlamp case has a little lip up here, so you can kind of hang the fixture, the front plate or whatever, on top of that. So while you're messing with the screws, it's not going to go anywhere. just enough so that they catch. So I can adjust the position if I need to while I'm getting the other screw in. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay. All right. I'll put the fairing back on so I have a fair basis for comparison. I love that trigger lock fairing. Just pops right on, right off. It's very easy to work with. Okay, all right, I'm going to shut down the operation momentarily while I move this thing outside.